What is the main idea in the passage? This is a structure-based question, so we need to look at the mind map. As per the mind map, the first paragraph talks about diamonds being a source of fascination for centuries. And the second paragraph talks about the fascination in ancient times. The third paragraph talks about the fascination in Middle Ages. And the fourth paragraph talks about the fascination in recent centuries. So we need an answer choice on similar lines. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, the steady rise in the popularity of diamonds since the ancient times. The only reference to the popularity of diamonds is there in the third paragraph, and it says that the popularity of diamonds surged during the Middle Ages. So we do not have enough information to suggest that the popularity of diamonds has been rising steadily since ancient times. Also, this discussion on popularity is there only in the third paragraph and not the main idea in the passage. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice B, origin of several traditions because of their association with diamonds. The fourth paragraph talks about the tradition of giving an engagement ring, but that is the only tradition mentioned in the passage. Also, this discussion related to tradition is limited only to the fourth paragraph. So it cannot be the central idea in the passage. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice C, the perception of diamonds has evolved over centuries. The passage definitely talks about the perception of diamonds in different time frames, but it doesn't suggest that the perception has evolved or become refined. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice D, diamonds have enthralled people over centuries for a variety of reasons. Yes, this is what is implied in the mind map. Because the mind map talks about diamonds as a source of fascination and covers different aspects of that fascination in different time frames, such as ancient times, Middle Ages, and recent centuries. So it is correct to state that the main idea is that diamonds have enthralled people over centuries for different reasons. A good answer choice. Let's keep it on hold. Answer choice E, diamonds have earned the reputation of being the ultimate gift of love. This idea of the gift of love is mentioned in the fourth paragraph and is limited in scope. So it cannot be the main idea in the passage. So this answer choice can be eliminated. D is the correct answer.